Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see System Administrator top interview questions and answers. First question, can you tell me about yourself? To answer this question properly, provide any information about you that is related to system administration position. Talk about any experience, education or certifications. Do not speak of things that are not related. For example, hobbies. Explain the role of Windows Server. Windows Server is an operating system that uses a centralized computer that provides specific function, predetermined rules for users and computers connected to a network. What is Windows Domain? Windows Domain is a centralized location for user accounts, computers, printers, and security features as part of database controlled by a domain controller. What is DNS and which port does it use? DNS stands for Domain Name System and it's mostly used to interpret domain names into numeric IP addresses. DNS uses port 53, TCP or UDP. How many queries does DNS perform and which ones? DNS performs two types of queries, iterative and recursive. What is Active Directory? A service of Windows Server OS. Active Directory is used for user and computer authentication within a domain. It can also enforce security policies and install software to computers connected to a domain. Active Directory database is located where? Using file name ntds.dit. It is located in the %system root %/ntds folder. What is lingering object? If an object is deleted from an Active Directory while domain controller is offline, it can create a lingering object. When object is deleted from Active Directory, a tombstone which is temporary is created, which then has to be replicated by domain controller before it expires. How do you backup Active Directory? Active Directory can be backed up by using NT-Backup tool that comes with 2003 server. With 2008 server, a command prompt is used to perform backup. Type wba-admin start system state backup space -backup target :e:. Do you know what is garbage collection? Garbage collection is a process designed to free space inside Active Directory. This is performed by default every 12 hours. Do you know what sysvol folder is? System volume folder is a directory that houses a copy of a domain files found on a local hard drive within domain controller. This data is shared for purpose of replication across domain. For example, user logon scripts and Windows group policy every 12 hours. What is RAID? RAID stands for Redundant Array of Independent Disk and is used to provide data redundancy, that is mirroring, across multiple hard disks. It can also be utilized to improve read or write performance across the server by using striping configuration. For example, RAID 1, 2 or more disks with identical data stored, that is redundancy. RAID 0, 2 or more disk data distributed evenly to improve performance. There is no redundancy. Explain what is group policy. A group policy is used to control user desktop and computer configuration by creating a default template for specific members of the group. This makes it easier to control and process large group of users. What is the difference between a parse and a domain? A domain is a logic-based group of computers, users and devices within Active Directory. A tree is a collection of domain. In case there are multiple trees formed, a forest is created. Why should we hire you? This is your last chance to impress potential employer. Talk about any other experience that you may have related to this job. Mention things any employer could ask from their associates, for example, being dependable, hardworking, and being a team player. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. All the best.